Hello there, welcome to You and Me, and thanks for joining me here today. Today, I thought we would focus on a little bit of self care. I find it beneficial all year round, but there is something about this time of year that it's particularly beneficial. So, I thought we could spend some time checking in with how our body, our mind, and our spirit are. Lately, I have been spending all day on my phone, working long hours on the editing, script writing, thinking about new ideas for my video, neglecting other areas of my life. I really needed to carve out some space to get my life together. One thing that I have neglected is self care, so I wanted to start with that today. Today morning, I realized that it's been months I didn't do anything for my hair, so they becomes so rough and dull. They just broke up with me. Yes, you guys are right. Today I'm gonna share with you my hair care routine. It's a hair mask. One of my friend shared with me this recipe. First time I was so scared, but after one apply I feel good and it's also safe. Anyone can apply this hair mask. Believe me, after one apply you will not be able to stop your hands from touching your hair. Your hair will become smoother than before. By the way, I wanted to ask you, what is self care for you? For me, it is divided into two parts. One is external self care, and the other one is internal self care. On external part, we take care of our body. Like every day, we do so many things for our body, using new creams, lotions, body oils, so many things. But we often neglect the internal part. Our mind, our spirit, they also need care. They also need some time to take rest. It's nice to just have space with ourselves. On our own, no TV, no cell phones, no harsh sounds. Just me and my me time. In my opinion, I feel if your mind is not in peace, then you are not well. For me, every day spending some time with myself makes me feel good, makes me a better person. I have never get bored. I enjoy my own company. I am curious. What is that one thing for you? One thing, if done consistently, that would make you feel better. You have never get bored of it. You feel like you have your life together. Let me know in the comment section. Remember one thing, self-care, it's a long process. Every day take some small steps. I promise you will feel grateful from inside. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.